Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to message people on X. Okay, so before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only message people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. So open X application on your phone, and in the top right corner of your screen you have to tap this letter icon. That's your messages section, and now tap new message button, or this button in the bottom right corner with a plus sign, and now search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that appears, you have to select specific person, and this will redirect you to chat with them. So type your message, and when you're ready to send it, just hit send button. This is this paper plane icon right here, and now you can see that my message is in the status that says sent. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.